Is the font little bit. Suppose management say that if 10,000 or 20,000, there is certain category they have given to us that if we land between this, the sales amount is landing in these categories. So this amount, then you can create the category respective so that we can focus on particular area. So for this, how would you create the dashboard? So the best way to that, use the switch function and switch that allow directly. You also can switch, and another option is if both you can use it. But switch is a great easier than if. So use switch function, then give the seat name, and I've given criteria less than equal to 10,000, then low. Less than equal sales value is less than equal to 1 lakh, medium. Sales is equal to less than is equal to 2 lakhs, then high. And sales is greater than 2 lakh, need to review. So means this area have a more opportunity to focus and make a more sale. So that digital management told us that please add this option in that so that we can focus on a particular area and country and we can make a more sale in that. So if you prepare this kind of category, so definitely your dashboard will be great and the things will be applied in your manner. So for this, let's show you this dashboard. So you can see that how I'm creating that. So you can create that. I paste this DAX query in below my video where you can pick up the query. So DAX query means DAX function. So how to use that? So simple, there's nothing else to do it. Let me cut it here and suppose just use the true function. True. True, yes, you can. If false, yes, you can, and paste it. Yes, just paste it. Simple. So cells is equal to this in low. Then this double. If you give any tax, you definitely you give in double quote. You need it. And now come to the here part. So just add the delete that. Now add the table here, and then select the categories, country, and cells. Let's increase the font here. So the font would be 16 you can choose. And let's show the column header. Then font color is white, background color is blue, and increase the font size here, increase to 15. And since see this high, low, medium, and category. Now I wanted to give the slicer here so that I can filter it out whenever whatever I need, because customer says then, no, I want to see the filter as well. So we cannot say no, we have to implement that. So for this you can just select that, and after that you can go to the slicer control. You need, I don't, it's not a good to give the customer as a control and then select all, since we have option. And so we can select that. After that, let adjust a little bit and increase a little bit more font size here. So for this item, and go to the text size, increase up to 15. And now see this, if select high, it will filter out rest. Select low, yes you can. Select medium, yes you can, and need to review. So this area have a more opportunity to make sale. So this kind of dashboard you can create that. If you like my video, please hit on subscribe button. And if you have questions, please give your comment below the video. I will try to respond ASAP. Thank you so much for watching my video.